everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So for today's video I am going to be doing my fake tan routine. I'm going to be reviewing, I can't say that word, so I'm going to be reviewing the new Skinny Tan Wonder Serum that Skinny Tan have kindly sent me. I have used Skinny Tan for a really long time. I actually did a video not that long ago, I think it was sometime last year. I was reviewing some of the other Skinny Tan products, so I've loved them for ages, so it's so kind of them to send me their new products. Just before I get into the video, I do just want to mention what's going on in the world right now, because I know it's such a big thing and everyone is experiencing it, so I didn't want to just say nothing about it. I'm not going to ramble on about it at all. That's not what this video is about. It is a fake tan review and that is what we're going to get into, but I do just want to mention it really quickly just to say that, you know, we're all in the same boat. It's horrible for all of us what we're going through, but I'm going to try and keep this channel as positive as I can. I'm going to upload, oh, there was a bug that just fell somewhere, let's forget about that. Yeah, so I'm going to keep my channel as positive as I can with everything that's going on. If people are going to be indoors a lot more, then I think they're going to need something positive and uplifting to watch, so that is what my channel is going to be about, and I'm going to do as many videos as I can. It has affected me massively because I'm now basically out of a job. Oh, what's going on with these flies? Yeah, because I'm out of a job. I work at a gym and obviously all the gyms have had to close now in the UK, so I'm going to be at home a lot more, which is good. That's what we need to do. We need to stay at home and isolate ourselves, so hopefully it will pass in the next few weeks to months. Nobody knows, obviously. So yeah, because I'm not going to be going to work every day, I'm going to really put a lot of effort into my YouTube and Instagram. I'm going to have lots of fun on this channel, so if you're not subscribed already, please do hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you here. Yeah, so with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. As I said, I'm going to be reviewing the new Skinny Tan Wonder Serum. So this one is slightly different to their previous Wonder Serum. This is more of an express, so it does say on the front here, let me just zoom it in for you. It's like, it keeps reflecting, but what it says basically is if you leave it on for 1 hour, you'll get a nice light tan, 2 hours is medium, and 3 hours or more will give you a nice deep tan. So for me, I like a nice deep tan, so I always leave it on for 3 hours, if not more. I do tend to sleep in it most of the time. Naturally, I'm very pale, I'm freckly. I've got quite, when I was growing up, I had quite auburn hair. Auburn, is that the right word? We used to call it strawberry blonde just to make me feel better, but yeah, it was fairly ginger, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, naturally I am very pale. I've got lots of Irish in me, so yeah, I like to tan, but as you can imagine, I do not naturally tan in the sun, nor do I really like to, so fake tan is always the answer for me. So I put fake tan on at least once a week. What I normally do is put a tan on like this every Sunday evening, and then I will top it up in the middle of the week with either the same one, or I've got some other Skinny Tan products that I will use. So they've also got this coconut water mist, so in the middle of the week sometimes, I've got a bubble on there, I will top it up with this. So this one is really nice, you just spray this on. It doesn't have a guide colour like this one, but also it dries really quickly, so you can get dressed straight after. So yeah, that's sometimes what I will top it up with. So quickly, before I show you what I look like without tan, I'm going to just show you what I use to put the tan on. So if you order from the Skinny Tan website, they usually do like bundle packs, do you call them that? Anyway, and they'll come with one of the mitts. So obviously I've used these ones. I've got two because I use this one for my body and then I'll use this one for my face, just so it's separate. I do actually put fake tan on my face. I know not a lot of people do, but it's never given me any problems. I've not got dry skin, because I know that can be a problem if you suffer with eczema or just dry skin, but because I don't, I just do my normal skincare routine and it doesn't seem to affect me, it doesn't really give me spots. But I think if you're putting it on your face, just take extra care with your skincare. And you should be fine. Or another thing you can do is mix it with a little bit of moisturiser, just so it tends to go on really nicely when I do that. So yeah, that's another little tip. Also, they have this roller for your back. I can't really get on with this, I'm not gonna lie, I've tried it. I'm gonna show you a clip of me trying to put it on my back and failing. Yeah, as you can see, I do not get on with this roller. I'm sure some people do, I'm sure some people love it. And also, I mean, you don't just have to use it for your back, you can use it anywhere, on your arms and stuff. But I just prefer using the mix. I just feel like you can really get involved with the mix, and they're so lovely, these mix, like they're velvet, so they're really, really nice. And then you can just whack them in the washing machine and reuse them, so perfect. I'm going to show you now before I put the fake tan on, and you can just see how pale I am. I'm just going to talk you through what I do before I put the fake tan on. So what I normally do is put the primer on, which Skinny Tan have got their own primer, which is really lovely. So I'll squeeze that onto my exfoliating mitt, give my legs and my whole body exfoliation nation. I'll exfoliate myself, and then I will shave, and then again after I've shaved I will exfoliate and scrub it with that mitt again. So again, I have two of these mitts because I use one in the shower to do my exfoliating, and then I use one that I keep dry for after I've tanned. And if I've got any kind of marks, especially around my wrists or my ankles or my elbows, so them kind of extra dry spots, I'll use that after just to give it a little rub and kind of get any streaky bits off. So then what I do when I'm out in the shower and I've dried myself, I put some moisturiser on, again just in those really dry places, so elbows, wrists. I actually put it along my hands and my knuckles. I put it on my armpits as well. It's controversial, I know, but as I said before, like I just get, it seems to just stick around there. So if I put the moisturiser on around there, it just really seems to help not go so patchy and horrible around there. So knees as well, ankles and feet, that as well, moisturise. I will usually wait at least 3 to 6 hours after I've shaved in the shower, because it can just see, because the pores are normally open then, so the fake tan will just seem to get clogged in there. So if you can wait till the next day if you've shaved, then that's probably ideal, but if not, then just wait a few hours. And it should help. Also in the shower, another tip, if you run cold water over your legs after you've shaved, that helps close the pores as well then. And then I'll put my tan on. That's pretty straightforward. You just want to go in nice circular motions, up and down. Make sure you've rubbed it all in so you've not got any lines. So it dries really quickly, so you'll be able to get changed within like 10 minutes. And then you can either wait 1 hour to have a nice light tan, 2 hours for a medium, and 3 hours plus for a nice deep tan, which is what I did. I'm going to show you now what it looked like after 3 hours. So that is it, that is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it. Honestly, I really do love this Skinny Tan Wonder Serum. It is my favourite fake tan at the minute. I've used a lot of different fake tans, and honestly, I promise I'm not just saying it, the Wonder Serum really is my favourite one. I just love the way that it goes on, so silky smooth, and it really lasts nicely. As long as you're looking after your skin still and moisturising, it really does last lovely. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please do give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos now in the next few days to come. Workouts, going to get my kids involved, and then just general kind of fun, uplifting videos. So yeah, please do press that subscribe button and hang around. I'd love to have you here. I will see you in another video. Take care of yourself, everyone. Bye.